With over 100 years of machine building expertise, Davenport Machine knows how to meet the ever-changing demands of a very challenging market. The new Davenport Hybrid Machine offers users unique flexibility in its part manufacturing capabilities. It holds extremely tight tolerances across a wide spectrum of materials, ranging from aerospace alloys and difficult stainless steel to brass. In the past, it took hand tools to fine-tune a Davenport machine, but today, running the hybrid is done digitally, through your fingertips. Simpler setups, faster cycle times, and a CNC interface make it easy to integrate the hybrid machine into virtually any workflow. Features of the hybrid machine include intuitive CNC controls, single-point threading, single-point contouring via a 2-axis CNC slide, an optimized and strengthened new bed casting and new machine base, an independent spindle and global size control, superior size and process controls, adjustable tooling via a new controls interface. Clients who utilize the Davenport Hybrid Machine can leverage capabilities such as angular trep and grooves, superior length control to plus or minus 3/10,000ths of an inch, 2/100ths of an inch wall thickness, 10 RMS seal faces, and the ability to machine aerospace and high-temperature alloys. Contact us today or request a quote to find out more about the cost-effective and efficient Davenport Hybrid Machine.